Hello friends, myself Dr. Bhushan Bhagat. We will deal with about emergency drugs in oral and maxillofacial surgery. In last, we have dealt with drugs like adrenaline, atropine, hydrocortisone, phenyramine maleate, promethazine, hydrochloride, and darifiline. Today, we will deal about diazepam, dopamine, furosemide, diclofenac, pentazocine, isosorbide, and tranexamic acid. Coming to the first drug, that is injection diazepam. As all we know, it is a member of benzodiazepine family. What is the dose? The dose of this drug is 10 mg intravenous. Remember, it should not be mixed with other drugs for IV infusion. Okay. So, what are the uses of this drug? Uses are: it is used as an anti-anxiety, anti-epileptic, and anti-convulsion. It can use in acute muscle spasm. It can be used in a emergency condition like tetanus episode. It is also used in a neurological diseases like seizures. So, injection diazepam. Now coming to the injection dopamine. Dopamine. Injection dopamine is adrenergic alpha and beta agonistic. So, dose of this drug is 0.2 to 1 mg per minute. It is given by infusion pump as you have seen in ICU. Okay. So, what is the uses of this drug? So, uses are: it is used in cardiogenic shock, severe congestive heart failure. So, injection dopamine. Coming to the injection furosemide. Furosemide, as you know, it is a loop diuretics. Dose is 20 to 80 mg intravenously. Uses are: it is used in mild to moderate hypertension, edema, congestive heart failure, toxemia of pregnancy, hepatic or renal diseases, and central edema. So, furosemide. Coming to the next drug, injection diclofenac sodium. Diclofenac sodium, it is an analgesic drug. Dose is 75 mg per ml. It is given intramuscularly. It is used in mild to moderate pain. It is used in trauma patient. Can be also used during and after minor surgery. So, injection diclofenac sodium. Coming to the next drug, injection pentazocine. Pentazocine, it is also analgesic drug, 30 to 60 mg intramuscularly or subcutaneously. It is moderate to severe pain. It is in moderate to severe pain. It is used in trauma patient, and it is one of the drug for pre-anesthetic medications. Coming to the next drug, tablet isosorbide dinitrate. It is very important. What is the dose of this isosorbide dinitrate? It is a 5 to 10 mg. Remember, it is given in sublingually. The uses are angina pectoris. Right. Coming to the next drug and the last drug, injection tranexamic acid. What is the dose of this drug? The dose of this tranexamic acid is 100 mg per ml. It should be given 0.5 ml per minute intravenously. So, coming to the uses. What are the uses? It is used for different bleeding disorders. It can be used for short period of time before and after surgery to prevent the blood loss and decrease the need of blood transfusion. So, till now we have covered injection diazepam, dopamine, furosemide, diclofenac, pentazocine, isosorbide, and tranexamic acid. In the next session, we will continue how to identify emergency and how to manage the emergency. So, thank you and happy learning.